Students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue our chapter number 3 subtraction, lecture number 3. In this lecture, I shall discuss about mixed word problems on addition and subtraction. I will explain you by an examples. Example number 1. The population of a town was 97,716. The number of old people in the town was 13,376. The number of young men was 30,109 and the number of young women was 23,396. Find the number of children in the town. Population of town हमें given है 97,716. Number of old people, number of young men and number of young women हमें given है. So सबसे पहले हम इन्हें प्लस करेंगे. Answer. First we write the statements. Number of old people is 13,376. Number of young men was 30,109. Number of young women was 23,396. So total number of old people, young men and young women. We will add this. So this 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 1, 2 carry. 2 plus 7, 9. Plus 0, 9. Plus 9, 18. 8, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 1, 5. Plus 3, 8. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. So total number of old people, young men and young women was 66,881. Now we have to calculate number of children. So we will subtract population of town and total number of old people, young men and young women. So hence the number of children is 97,716 minus 66,881. So first we write the number in columns, that is 97716, and second number we will start from last, that is 18866. This 6 minus 1, 5. This 1 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow from this 7. It will be 6 and this 1 will be 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. Now we will borrow from this 7. It will be 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Now this 6 minus 6, 0. And 9 minus 6, 3. Therefore, there were 30,835 children in the town. Come to question number 2. 3 schools donated to the earthquake relief fund. First school donated rupees 73,475. Second school donated rupees 2,375 more than the first school. And the third school donated rupees 2,962 less than the first school. How much money in all was donated to the fund? Answer. First school donated rupees 73,475. Second school donated, in this it is given that it is 2,375 more than the first school donated. So हम इसमें क्या करेंगे? प्लस, क्योंकि more than given है, more than means plus. So second school donated equal rupees 73,475 plus 2,375. So we will add this 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 15, 5, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 as it is, so 7. So second school donated rupees 75,850. Now third school donated, it is given that it is rupees 2962 less than the first school donated. तो इनमें क्या करेंगे हम, माइनस, क्योंकि हमें लेस देन गिवन है. So third school donated rupees 73,475 minus 2,962. So we will subtract this 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 6, 1. This 4 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow from 3. It will be 2 and this will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 as it is. So this third school donated rupees 70,513. So hence the total money donated by 3 schools is, we will plus, that is 73,475 plus 75,850 plus 70,513. So we will add this 5 plus 0, 5 plus 3, 8. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. 3, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 5, 18. 8, 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. This 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Therefore, the total money donated to the earthquake relief fund by 3 schools was rupees 2,19,838. Now come to question number 3. Place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 into the boxes so that the difference between 2 digit numbers is as big as possible. हमें इन बॉक्सेस में 2 डिजिट्स नंबर लिखने हैं, बट हमारा इनका जो डिफरेंस है वो हमारा एज बिग आना चाहिए, मीन्स बड़ा आना चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इन 2, 4, 6 और 7 डिजिट से हम 2 डिजिट का ग्रेटर नंबर बनाएंगे और 2 डिजिट स्मॉलर नंबर बनाएंगे. सो आंसर, दिस 6 और 7 हमारी बड़ी डिजिट्स हैं, सो वी विल मेक ग्रेटर नंबर, दैट इज 76. So we will put in first box, that is 7 and 6. Now 2 and 4 are smaller, so 24 is the smaller number formed 2 digit. So 24 we will put. So now we will subtract 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 2 5. So 52 is the difference between these two numbers, 2 digit numbers, which is as big as possible. Now come to question number 4th. 2 boys participated in a race. They had to cross 5 laps. For each lap, Lakshay and Vedant got some points. You need to decide who won by getting maximum score. So we are given Lakshay's point and Vedant's point, as according to the first lap, second lap, third lap and fourth lap. This A part, who wins at the end? So हम क्या करेंगे, we will do addition. First we will add the Lakshay's point and then we will add Vedant's point. After that we will compare. So Lakshay's point are, we will add 8,000 plus 20,000 plus 35,000 plus 40,000. So we will add this. So total score is 1,03,000 points. Now similarly, we will add Vedant's point, that is 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 28,392. So total Vedant's points are 83,392. And now we will compare. This 1,03,000 is greater than 83,392. So thus Lakshay wins at the end. B part, write the best score of Lakshay in words. Best score is, now compare this 8,000, 20,000, 35,000, 40,000. So the best score of Lakshay is 40,000. C part, write the best score of Vedant in words. So now see these points, Vedant points, 10,000, 25,000, 20,000, 28,392. So the best score of Vedant is 28,392. Now D part, in lab 2, how many points Vedant beats Lakshay? Second lab में Lakshay's point were given 20,000 and Vedant's point 25,000. So we will subtract this 25,000 minus 20,000, that is 5,000. So in lab 2, Vedant beats Lakshay by 5,000 points. Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 3C. Question number 1. Out of 78,900 books published in 2014, 26,543 were of science, 15,938 were of mathematics, and the remaining were of other subjects. Find the number of books of other subjects. Question number 2. 3 persons A, B and C need rupees 2 lakh to start a business. A has rupees 55,000, B has rupees 69,000 and C has rupees 39,000. How much more money is required to start the business? Question number 3. A shopkeeper sold 36,313 kilogram rice on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 769 kilogram of rice more than on Monday, and on Wednesday, he sold 778 kilogram rice less than on Monday. How much rice was sold by him in 3 days? Question number 4. A student was told to write the numeral for 19,356, but he wrote 90,536. Write both in numerals and find the difference between them. These were the questions assigned as homework. Now I shall discuss the solution of homework assigned in lecture number 2 of chapter number 3, subtraction. Exercise 3B. Question number 1. Fill the missing numbers. A part, 4,647 minus 1 equal dash. If we subtract minus 1, then we will get predecessor of that number. So answer is 4,646. B part, 43,252 minus dash equal 0. Now see, if we subtract the number, we get the difference is 0. So we will subtract from the same number. So the answer is 43,252. C part, 200 minus 100 equal dash. Answer is 100. D part, 5,627 minus 0 equal dash. If we subtract 0 from this number, then we get the difference as the same number. So the answer is 5,627. Now come to question number 2. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Answer. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999 and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So we will subtract this. So we write the number in columns, that is 99999, and this second number we will start from this last, so that is 0 0 0 0 1, and then we will subtract. So this 9 minus 0, 9, again 9 minus 0, 9, again 9 minus 0, 9, again 9 minus 0, 9, this 9 minus 1, 8. So the answer is 89,999. Now come to question number 3rd. The difference between the two numbers is 17,961. If the greater number is 4,12,629, find the smaller number. हमें दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंस गिवन है 17,961 और हमें ग्रेटर नंबर गिवन है 4,12,629. हमें स्मॉलर नंबर कैलकुलेट करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन करेंगे. सो आंसर विल बी दिस ग्रेटर नंबर इज 4,12,629 and difference is given 17,961. So smaller number will be, we will do subtraction. This 9 minus 1, 8. This 2 is smaller than 6, so we will borrow from 6. It will be 12. So this 12 minus 6, 6. Now again we will borrow from 2. So that will become 1 and this will be 15. So 15 minus 9, 6. Now again we will borrow from this 1. It will be 0 and it will be this 11. So 11 minus 7, 4. Now we will borrow from this 4. It will be 10. So this 10 minus 1, 9 and this 3 as it is, we will write 3. So therefore the smaller number is 3,94,668. Come to question number 4th. 3,48,392 people live in town A and 3,51,462 live in town B. Which town has more people and by how much? हमें टाउन ए के पीपल गिवन है और टाउन बी के गिवन है. हमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि विच टाउन हैज़ मोर पीपल मीन्स कौन से टाउन में ज़्यादा लोग हैं और बाय हाउ मच और कितने ज़्यादा हैं दूसरे टाउन से. सो हम सबसे पहले कंपेयर करेंगे दोनों नंबर. सो हमें गिवन है कि टाउन बी हैज़ मोर पीपल because this 3,51,462 is greater than this 3,48,392. So town B has more people. Or second part we have to calculate by how much. So we will do subtraction. So we will write the numbers in column. That is this 3, 5, 1, 4, 6, 2. And second number we will start from last. That is 2, 9, 3, 8, 4, 3. So we will do subtraction. This 2 minus 2, 0. Now this 6 is smaller than 9. So we will borrow from 4. It will be 3 and this will be 16. So 16 minus 9, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. This again 1 is smaller than 8. So we will borrow from this 5. It will be 4 and this will be 11. So 11 minus 8, 3. This 4 minus 4, 0. And this 3 minus 3 also 0. So therefore by 3,070 people, town B has more people than town A. Now come to question number 5th. Mother Dairy produced 30,000 pouches of milk in one day. It supplied 20,196 a day to various depots. How many pouches were left behind? मदर डेयरी प्रोड्यूस्ड करती है 30,000 पाउचेस ऑफ मिल्क वन डे में, बट वो सप्लाई 20,196 एक दिन में करती है. सो कितने पाउचेस उसके पास बच गए? सो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द स्टेटमेंट दैट इज नंबर ऑफ मिल्क पाउचेस प्रोड्यूस्ड इन वन डे इज 30,000 and number of milk pouches supplied in one day is 20,196. So number of pouches, milk pouches left is, we will do subtraction. This 0 is smaller than 6, so we will borrow from next number. This is also 0, so now we will borrow from this 3. It will be 2 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. this will become 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Again 9, it will be 9 minus 1, 8. Again this will be 9, so 9 minus 0, 9. Then this 2 minus 2, 0. So therefore 9,804 pouches of milk were left. Now come to question number 6. How much more is 1 lakh than 43,176? So इसमें भी हम क्या करेंगे? Subtraction. So first we will write the number in columns. That is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And second number we will start from last. That is 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. Now we will do subtraction. So this 0 is smaller than 6. So we will borrow from this next number. It is also 0. So now we will borrow this from this 1. So it will be 0 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 6, 4. And this will become 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Again this will become 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Again this will become 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Again 9 minus 4, 5. So the answer is 56,824. So thank you. Have a nice day.